1, 2, 3. Love you. Nagbabasa ka rin ay, namumublema lagi. Namumublema lagi ito. Tapos magpo-procrastinate na ako ito dahil mahubya talaga. Hindi naman nakabasa. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So, welcome to our vlog. On the way na kami magpabukay. Si Doktor yung kulang sa clearance namin. Then we're going to get we're going to get it bukay. Hi vlog.
Iba talaga yung i-alpin niya na daw.
So, congratulations to Alfred. So we're still waiting for our clearances to get signed. Pero wala pa si Dong.
Guess where?
Guess, asan kami today?
1, 2, 3, go!